So the results are in. They keep building them and you guys keep buying them. And they're building them with fantastic incentives.
If you're looking for a 3-story property here in the master plan community of Summerlin, Las Vegas, Nevada, we've got a home for you.
Hello everyone, I'd like to talk to you about the Pulte Blacktail community located in beautiful Summerlin, Las Vegas. If you're looking for a spacious and luxurious home, you won't want to miss out on this incredible 3-story property. The Pulte Black homes offer just under 3,000 square feet with 3 different beautiful designs. Today we'll look at the Carson, and on this particular Carson it's about 2,473 square feet. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with 2-car garage that you can see in the front. And that actually Pulte is using this as their office space, but that of course will be converted into your 2-car garage once you purchase and own one of these beautiful homes. As you know, or if you don't know, Summerlin is a premier community here in the Las Vegas area, known for its beautiful parks and top-rated schools and endless entertainment options. With this beautiful Carson model, you'll notice that you have a bedroom downstairs with its own sort of living room feel that takes you out to the backyard. And then on the 3rd level, that's where you'll get your beautiful open kitchen. Living room area, seating area, and another additional and private patio. At the top of this beautiful model, you'll definitely see the expansive and open rooftop balcony. Now, all of these great properties, there is no guarantee that you'll have these views once everything's built out, yet you'll still have an expanse in regards to seeing around the beautiful community.